y'all?
What's good, YouTube? We are back at another part with another video.
Hell no.
Best of Mari. As y'all can see everybody. We got all the whips outside. We got the whole crew outside. I ain't gonna tell you where we at. We are actually posted up in Mexico, just letting y'all know. But we got Mustangs pulled up. We got other people that's pulling up. Turn the camera right over there, cameraman. As y'all can see, we got other people like just sitting over there. We just chilling. We had a pre-meet. But I'm gonna get right back to y'all as soon as we get to the next spot. Make sure y'all enjoy that video. Make sure y'all hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, y'all, we got the yellow Camaro. That shit sound fucking hard as hell. Like, bruh, I don't know if y'all can hear this shit, but like, damn. That fucking yellow and shit go tough. Got my little beater right here. I'll let y'all hear that later. Look at this dude. Hey. That's front wheel drive. This shit front wheel drive the bars, bro. He don't got his traction all the way. He got to turn his traction on. My fault, gang. Oh, I caught that shit in a moment. Look at that. That's sweet. Race chat. They about to race. Look at that. King.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Anyways, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. But we going all the way up for y'all boys. All right, y'all. Third race, they about to run it back, man. It's an Audi. I think, yeah, the other one is a Subaru. It's the content y'all be wanting to see, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, bro. Oh, yeah. Here we go. All right, y'all. Government, if y'all watch the first video, y'all can see. All right, y'all, this is part 2, y'all. They about to race. Got another fucking lineup for y'all.
When I do this, y'all go. Y'all got it? You got the flag? Right.
Man, you gotta hit that fucking subscribe button, bro. This shit gonna go crazy. This shit about to go crazy. Alright, YouTube, as we back, we got a muscle American meat for y'all, bro. We got the old V6 Challenger. I guess he got it tuned a little bit. And we got that sexy freaking Camaro sitting over there. They about to line it up. Y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm out here tired, past my freaking bedtime, bro. I love y'all boys, though. My gosh! What? Go, man.
He burnt him, I ain't gonna cap. He burnt him. was far.
Hey, that's fucked up. Oh, that's fucked up.
Alright, YouTube, as y'all can see, that's going to be the end of the video today. I hope y'all enjoyed that crazy car beat. I guess on the fly, whatever the thing said on Instagram, it said that it was like car meet. I guess it was supposed to be a car meet, then it turned into a whole bunch of street racing and running from the cops and all. I wish I could show that, but we got the POV drives. We recorded that for y'all. It might be a lot of wind, so I do apologize for the people that are using the headphones. As y'all can see, we got the ACK in the back, as y'all can see. This thing has been through it all already, and I haven't even had it, you know, like fully, you know. So I'm gonna talk about. So pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna talk about the things that's coming to the car. So one, we are going to end up getting this whole car wrapped. But before I do get it wrapped, as y'all can see, the car needs some lotion, bro. I guess I got that joke from my mom. As y'all can see, the top of the car needs some lotion. It's just been sitting in the sun, so when I bought it, it really came like this. But we're gonna take all this off, and it's gonna get wrapped satin black. So that's coming, and after we get the hood wrapped satin black, the whole car is gonna be a whole different color. I'm thinking about then for the rims, we're gonna I'm either going with chrome, white, or maybe some JDM gold rims. Y'all comment down below which ones y'all think will look better, because I'm thinking about going to get the car wrapped. I'll say purple, maybe like a dark custom two-tone purple, you know, maybe something like that. So if y'all can picture that for me, those three options. We got the chrome, middle finger to the haters. We got the chrome, we got the whites, and we got the golds. And then the headlights are gonna get switched out. They already LEDs. We gotta get that cleaned out or whatever. But yeah, man, we got a lot of stuff coming to the car. All right, and as y'all can hear, we're gonna have to be getting new pipes too. I definitely gotta get some bigger pipes. Maybe go with like chrome pipes or like maybe satin black pipes. We got the 2 dual exhaust pipes too, though. But yeah, sooner or later, everything is gonna be done. We still got it. Before I do any of that, we definitely gotta get the tent though. I'll let y'all hear just a little bit. Yeah, she sounds wonderful. She sounds very, very, very wonderful. But yeah, man, we got to get all of that stuff done for y'all. It's coming soon. Just make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all got to hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all comment. Make sure, do not forget to comment what type of, because these are definitely getting changed out. These are not going to be there for long. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. I really hope everybody enjoyed that video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, bro. We going all the way. We got more car meet videos coming for y'all. We got, also make sure y'all also comment, and maybe should I start a second channel with the car and then stuff about the light up on another channel for the lifestyle. So make sure y'all be looking out for that also, because we definitely got one on the way coming. So I just got to figure out a lot of stuff to do. But I'll say give it to about the end of this year. This car definitely gonna be looking different. Probably gonna be one of the cleanest Acras on YouTube. Not gonna get too cocky with it. But yeah, man, I love y'all boys. I'm out of here. I'm about to get some rest because I'm tired. Still gotta edit this video. So yeah, Mari gang, I love y'all boys. We gone. Bye.